Today I'm going to show you how to enable the camera on a Mac and also how to disable it. But before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, because at 10k subscribers I'm going to show you all of my YouTube analytics on how I make money with my strategy online. So let's jump into it. First, we move our mouse down to the bottom left corner to the launchpad. And we then find the application called Photo Booth. It's right here. We click on it, and as you can see, when I open Photo Booth, the camera automatically turns on. And if I click on here, the red button, we can take a photo. Now let's move our mouse to this spot over here. If we click here, we can start recording a short video. So let's record a short video in here. So right now it's recording, as you can see. The video has been recorded when I click on this button. And right now the video lasts 9 seconds. And we can play it all over again. It's recording, as you can see. So that is how you record a video. And basically, guys, this is how you turn on and use a camera on a Mac. However, there is a possibility that this doesn't work for you. And I'm going to show you how to try and fix it. But first, we move our mouse to the left corner to the Apple icon. And then we click on System Settings. And here we are. We are in our System Settings right now. And we click on the following: Privacy and Security. And when we're on Privacy and Security, we click on Camera. And right now we can see all the applications that have access to my camera. And you have to make sure to slide all these on. So they have to be blue, of course. Previously, a couple of years ago, there was still a possibility for parental access, that you can just turn off the camera for the entire Mac. There was an update a couple macOS versions ago, and that's not possible anymore. So the only restrictions you have are these ones, basically apps that you can restrict the access to the camera or allow. And in this case, of course, we're going to allow it also for PowerPoint. So all the apps on my Mac have access to the camera now. And that's it basically for today, guys. Remember to give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment. Thank you guys for watching.